Want to guarantee your AI rollout fails? Easy. Make the reward for using it unemployment. Or worse, make it the guilt of knowing you're the one who cost a coworker their mortgage. If "I automated this" translates to "people get fired," congrats, you didn't launch innovation, you launched a hostage situation. And then leadership calls it a failure to get buy-in. No, you didn't fail to get buy-in, you succeeded at incentivizing stagnation. Back around 2010, before the AI hype era, I saw the same problem in a totally different world. I was an intern in QOA at a massive industrial plant. Think heavy trucks, steel everywhere, serious machinery. This company was founded in 1905 and has been a titan of their industry through 2 world wars, the Great Depression, the Great Recession. They were blunt about process improvement. If we can eliminate a task with better tooling or a smarter workflow, we're going to do it. Standard stuff, that's business. But then came the policy that changed how I think about work. Eliminating a task does not eliminate the person. They got retrained, moved, reassigned, and on the best of days given a pay raise and told to do it again in a new context. On the surface, sure, it sounds human-centric. But it wasn't just about being nice. The company genuinely cares about their employees. But it is also savvy and forward-thinking. The organisation knew the moment a team believes efficiency equals layoffs, they would stop sharing. They would stop documenting. They would stop being honest about what's slow, dumb, or redundant. They go into defender mode, protecting busy work like it's a castle under siege. But when you remove the threat, when the rule is, we automate tasks, not people, you flip the incentives. Suddenly, people become scouts for improvement instead of defenders of the status quo. They don't hide problems, they hunt them. They optimize because the reward is a better job, not a pink slip. Now, you might think, yeah, but now everyone is hyper-specialized, and it is just easier to let them go and find someone new. I call bullshit. Knowledge is more accessible than it has ever been. Modern tools have never been easier to use, and AI can tutor you on demand, in your context, at your pace. That democratization is real. So if you want an AI strategy that doesn't turn your office into a workplace Cold War, it's not just about finding a better AI model. It's about a better, time-tested and matured contract. Automate the tasks, protect the people. Redeploy talent to the next constraint. Because AI isn't just a tool rollout, it's a trust rollout. If your policy says, use it and we redeploy you to higher value work, people will build you a future.